Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Arizona State University. So first you have to open a web browser. So I'm going to open the Google web browser, and on the top section there's a URL section right over here. Type down Arizona State University and click on the enter. And from the search results, you could see there's a Arizona University website right over here. Click on that and we'll be successfully landing on the Arizona State University homepage. And in the top right corner beside the search section, there's a sign in option right over here. Click on that and you'll be redirected to another page of Arizona State University sign in. And here we could see we are required with the user ID as well as a password. So simply type down your user ID and your password as well. And on beside the password, we could see there's a forget ID or password. So if you have forgotten your ID or password, then you can click on this option that says forget ID or password, and you will be able to recover your ID or password. And after this, you can simply click on this option that says sign in. But beside this, there's a small box right over here that says remember my user ID. So if you want to keep logged into your device, you can simply click on this option. But if you do not want to, then click back again. So that is how to log into Arizona State University account. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.